Like, subscribe and press the bell icon for more videos from PHN Learn. For more videos, download our app from the Play Store.
Hello everyone, welcome to the Bootstrap tutorial by PHN Technology Private Limited. In this series of tutorial, you will learn about the most popular framework of HTML and CSS named Bootstrap. So, in the last session, we saw how to include the CDN or how to download the package from getbootstrap.com, and so that was the way to include Bootstrap in your particular website. So, as you can see, I have got that demo.html file in which we have linked the style sheet in our CSS folder, as well as I have got the CDN from getbootstrap.com. So in this tutorial we learn about some flexbox and containers. So what are containers? So basically containers are the one holding your content in a particular section. So let's see what a container is. So we will take a div and what we'll do is we'll get a heading inside this, and let's see what happens in the browser. Bootstrap tutorials. Yeah. So what you can see is only the heading, but can you see the container? No. But let's see what a container is really inside your website page. So for doing that, I am giving some background color to the container. Okay, now let's save it and let's see it in the browser. So as you can see, the container is spread across the page and the name like Bootstrap tutorial is inside that particular container. So in this container you can see the left and the right side, both the sides are leaving space from the border. Okay, so this is a normal container, and the another type of container is container fluid. So what is container fluid basically is it is the full width container which we can use to stretch along all the borders of the screen. So let's modify our class to container fluid. Now let's see what happens. Now what you can see is the container is stretched across the screen. So this is basically a container fluid with zero margin and with zero margin and full width. Okay, so now we will see about what is flexbox. Well, there is no big difference between flexbox and container, but inside a flexbox you don't have to define a row or a column for giving the small div inside flexbox. Now I'll show you an example. And we'll give it some color to see what it actually does. Okay, I'm sorry. Okay, so let's save it and see what we got? We got nothing. Why? Because the Flexbox doesn't contain anything. So for that, let's give a heading inside that. Now let's see. As you can see, we've got another container fluid. So initially you can't see a big difference between both of them. But now what we will do is, we will have some another div. Okay, so now what we can do is, we can take 3 div class. Okay, and now what we will do is, we will see what happens. So as you can see, we will remove this heading. So as you can see, we've got 3 columns inside the Flexbox without even defining the columns or row. So that is a big difference between container and Flexbox. So in today's tutorial, we saw the container and we saw what is the second type of container, that is the full width container, which is container fluid, and after that we saw the Flexbox in Bootstrap. So in further tutorials we will be learning about the another basics like grid, colors, typography and all. So till then, keep coding and happy learning. Thank you.
For more videos, download our app from the Play Store.